A US Senate hearing organised by the Tom Lantos Human Rights Organization will take place on September 15th on the current situation of human rights in Azerbaijan, entitled "Azerbaijan, Do Human Rights Even Matter?" The announcement posted on the Human Rights Commission website read, "Since 2014, the Azerbaijani government has intensified a crackdown on dissidents, rounding up journalists, political opposition, religious activists and members of civil society." The hearing is being called in the run-up to the referendum on the Azerbaijani constitution, which aims to increase the presidential term from 5 to 7 years, amongst other measures. Parliament Deputy Samshadin Hajiev, in a recent interview with Radio Azadlik, said that the installation of the vice presidency is a change aimed at improving the institutional basis of the administration. This is a transfer of power. The president will no longer handle certain questions personally, but they will be delegated to the newly formed institution. Khadija Ismailova and former ambassador Richard Kazaulich will give testimony at the hearing. We increased the price of cotton picking so that those working in this field would be able to earn more. We must create good conditions for these workers. Their industry must be shaped and moulded, said Ilham Aliyev on September 3rd while visiting a cotton field in the city of Kursing. Valid Mahramov, an agricultural expert who commented on the president's remarks, said that the salary of cotton picking in Azerbaijan is 3 times lower than cotton pickers in Iran and Turkey. In these countries, a kilogram of cotton fetches about 90 US cents, while in Azerbaijan, cotton pickers receive only 33 cents. Government authorities, especially those in the Ministry of Agriculture, are manipulating and abusing the people, and are using the depreciation of the manat as an excuse. Valid Mahramov says that this is very negatively affecting the growth of the cotton industry in Azerbaijan. City and village authorities are now given the same instructions as the heads of collective farms in Soviet times. However, in comparison to Soviet times, cotton production is 80% lower. On September 14th, an inspection of youth activist Qiyas Ibrahimov's house was supposed to take place. However, the main investigator did not appear for inspection. Elkin Sadigov, Ibrahimov's lawyer, says that after the youth activist was detained, authorities ordered a warrant to search his house. Supposedly during the search, drugs were discovered on the property. The lawyer further said that there are several witnesses to the fact that these drugs were placed within the domicile of Ibrahimov. A complaint on this matter was submitted to Nazimi District Court. The lawyer further reported that Ibrahimov's trial will continue on September 22nd at Baku Court on grave crimes. If convicted of drug possession and distribution, Ibrahimov may face 5 to 12 years imprisonment. Ibrahimov and his friend Bayram Maladov were both detained on May 10th, having drawn graffiti on a statue to Heydar Aliyev in one of Baku's central parks. Both of the young activists have submitted written testimonies to the fact that they have been tortured whilst in pretrial detention. The National Television and Radio Council filed ANS television channel 161,000 manat for their intent to broadcast an interview with Fethullah Gulen in the immediate aftermath of the failed coup attempt in Turkey. ANS was able to cover only half of this fine and has been ordered by a Baku court to pay a remaining 77,266,000 manat.